I'm sure you've heard the news. It's time for a game changer in your child's education. Is your child in Form 2, 3 or 4? Struggling with academics or confidence? The Kizazi Kipya mentorship program is here to help. Our expert mentors guide students through academic challenges, building self-confidence and essential study skills. From mathematics to chemistry, physics to languages, we've got it covered. Plus, exciting extras like artificial intelligence, programming and robotics await at Frere Town Secondary School. And that's not all. Students can participate in prestigious competitions like Design for Change and Young Scientist Kenya. Ready for success? Join us at Mikindani Primary School or Frere Town Secondary School starting November 4th. Don't wait, help your child thrive. Call us today at 0713 45 11 94 or 0713 17 4228. Unlock their potential with Kizazi Kipya.